Hello, we're Nexus Korea. Again, we brought the topic to introduce about immigration to Korea. This is a type of the immigrant investment scheme for public business. First of all, what is immigrant investment scheme for public business? IISPB is a system that allows you to receive residential and permanent residency by depositing more than the standard amount in public service investment fund designated by the Korean government as a collateral. And the one we will introduce is retirement investment immigration. The retirement investment immigration system allows foreign investors aged 55 or older to receive an F2 residence visa immediately after depositing more than 300 million won in accordance with the criteria set by the Korean Ministry of Justice. If you're considering a retirement investment immigration visa, a total of 4 conditions must be met. First, the age of the retired immigrant investor of public business F523 must be 55 or older. Second, the amount of investment in public business must be at least 300 million won. Third, when applying for F2 visa, you must submit documents proving that you have more than 300 million won in asset in Korea or abroad, in addition to the investment of 300 million won. In this case, real estate in Korea can be also recognized, and the asset held by the investor and his spouse can be calculated together. Finally, if you apply for permanent residency 5 years later, you must prove that you have more than 300 million won in assets in Korea to successfully acquire permanent residency. If you get a retirement investment immigration visa, you can enjoy various benefits. First, documents such as income certificate, Korean language test, academic background, professional experience are not required or considered during the visa issuance process. Second, free immigration and real estate transactions in Korea are possible. Thirdly, business can be carried out through a commercial registration without creating a corporate company. Also, economic activities and academic life are possible without the need for separate employment or study visas. Fourth, companion visas. While the investor himself or herself is granted a residence visa, the spouse and minor children are also eligible for F2 residence visa. In addition, if the spouse and minor children of the investor maintain residence eligibility for more than 5 years, they can apply for F5 permanent residency with the investor. The premise is that the minor child must be unmarried at the time of application for permanent residence before a visa can be issued. Fifth, visa eligibility can be maintained by leaving your entry record in Korea only once a year, even if you live abroad. As mentioned earlier, in order to obtain a retirement investment immigration visa, the investment status must be maintained for 5 years after obtaining a resident visa. During 5 years before obtaining permanent residence, the focus should be on maintenance of investment status and visas rather than stay. In other words, if the investment is not recovered within 5 years, the F5 permanent residence can be obtained smoothly by maintaining the investment status and visa eligibility only once a year without having to live in Korea for long-term residence. The investment could be recovered in the interim, but bearing in mind that the visa ceases to be valid immediately. Sixth, if you stay in Korea for more than 6 months after obtaining an F2 residence visa, you can sign up for Korean health insurance. Finally, the full amount of the investment will be refunded as soon as F5 permanent residence is provided. However, in the process of getting permanent residency, it's necessary to prove that you have more than 300 million won in assets in Korea to succeed in obtaining permanent residency. Hope that you have got a lot of useful information. In the next video, we will introduce general investment immigration for investors who are considering or interested in investment immigration for public business. Our Nexus Korea has gathered experts who have lots of experience in consulting Korean immigration-related cases and provide practical help when customers were considering immigration to Korea. And in our immigration series of our YouTube channel, we are continuously sharing various information related to Korea immigration. So, if you have any questions, please pay attention to it or please contact us through the information provided in the description. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.